Yes, that's a good question. Research-based design is, research has been around for a very long time. Research about the environment. And I think thoughtful architects and designers have for many years employed research in an informal way when they're designing space. And I would say the best architects and designers have a very good intuition as well that kind of feeds into that. But just using research does not mandate in and of itself that you're going to embark upon a formal process. When we're talking about evidence-based design, there is a formal process that one has to go through, and this is outlined in the book. So you start with a hypothesis. Here's what I think is going to be true if we design the nursing unit this way. And then you, if you're an architectural firm, I think the best thing is to find a consultant who is associated with an academic in an academic setting, a researcher, and to work with you to develop this. And then you develop the metrics by which you're going to measure this at 6 months and 12 months after occupancy. And then you need to look at the data and what does it tell you. Maybe everything wasn't successful, but some aspect of it was successful. Now you publish that and publish everything, what worked and what didn't work. And then the next hospital or next 20 or 40 hospitals don't have to make that same mistake. They can look at what you did and say, that was really effective. For this subgroup of patients, that was great. And over time, which is why it'll take, I'm sure, at least 10 years to have enough of this built up, one learns from another from another. So it is the way things need to go. You see greater rigor now coming from Medicare. You see it about clinical care the past few years, the work that IHI, Institute for Healthcare Improvement, is embarking upon. I mean, that's where we're going, and design has to follow, has to be as rigorous.